back to my channel. This is Sherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you are feeling good and healthy. And for today, I know you see my hair and my shirt, you can really tell, but here, let me stand up. Chill with my reindeers. It's so weird, but since I have my pink hair today and my pink shirt, we gonna do a pink monochromatic. Let me check that. Yeah, monochromatic makeup. I saw a lot of people are doing it like different colors like green, orange, peach, and today I will do a pink one since pink is one of my favorite colors. So yeah, I already done my sorry about that finish my eyebrows, and I know my eyes has a little stain right now because I am practicing earlier and it doesn't come off. So yeah, I think let's dive in. Okay, let's dive in. So I'll be quick. Dive in. Okay guys, since we're doing a special tutorials today, I will use 3 palette. So I'm gonna use Conspiracy by Jeffree, and I will use the Trisha here, the pink one here, Trisha, and I will use also the Blood Sugar by Jeffree, and I will use the Cavity, the pink one here. So the pink one here, and then Tarte. Also, I'm gonna use the Peach Days. This one, the pink glitters. So yeah. Okay guys, we already put the first color, and let's grab a clean brush and just blend the top, just the top, the edges, so there's no harsh edges. Harsh. Yeah, so let's blend so it's like faded on the top. And if you want to put more pink, you can put more. Just the middle part. So I'll do that. Okay, for our next step, I will grab a concealer. You can use different concealer, whatever is your favorite one. But for today, I will use a Juvies Place concealer, and this is color number 20. So I like this one because it's like closer to my skin color. So what I'm gonna do is, I know cut crease, I usually do all the way. Well, I'm gonna try, yeah, I'm gonna do all the way, but first is I don't want to put too much concealer, so I'm just gonna do dots. Let's see if it works. Because this concealer is so thick, so let me just do dots. Okay, I hope you can see it guys. I'm just gonna do dots. And then just look up. And then down. It's so hard if you have like hooded eyes like me. So that one, did you see the concealer here on the top? It means that's your line. So you're gonna draw all the way to the line there, and yeah. So we're gonna try It's, you know, get that access and draw the line. And I want this concealer to be guide for my eyeliner. I'm gonna use a pink eyeliner today, so I'm gonna do like all the way and then make a shape for our eyes, like an arrow. Yeah, like that. And then we can fill this here. So I'm not gonna put concealer all the way because I will put the first eyeshadow on the end. So I'm just gonna prepare this for the second eyeshadow that we're gonna use, which is in the Conspiracy. So yeah, and we'll grab a different brush for our Trisha here. It's a little bit shimmer, so I will wet my brushes in a minute, but I have to fill this first, then I will wet my brushes so it would show up more. I'm just gonna fill up the concealers, not all the way guys, because I will fill the top of the concealers with eyeliner. Okay. So let me wet my brushes and I'm gonna fill that again with the same eyeshadow. Okay, we are done. So let's go back to our first eyeshadow and blood sugar cavity. So we're just gonna fill up the end, the outer corner. Let's make it darker. And don't worry about that white line. Like I said, we will put liquid eyeliner. I'm just like fill this up here. Sorry, it was like I'm too far away. So we are ready to do line in our eyes, and I will use the next Vivid Brights. This is liquid eyeliner, color pink. What's the name of this? Vivid Petals. Petal. Yeah. So I'm just gonna outline the the concealers that we did in the middle. Yeah, I'm just gonna line it up here because I can still see it. And if you're not satisfied, you can dip it again and line it up again to make the line a little bit thick. So I'll do that now. So I want this line to show. And then we are ready for our glitters. Okay, so I'm gonna put the glitters, but I want to use this next Pigment Primer Base Perfectrice pigments. So I don't know what's going on with this, but it's like watery. I will put it in my hands. I know I have a lot of products in my hands, but earlier it's like so oily. I don't know why, but maybe because it's new. So what I'm gonna do that is just put it in the middle. Just put it in the middle because I want like middle and then maybe lower here. So just here, lower, in the middle too. It looks so watery. I don't know why. Just yeah, like that. And the middle too. So I'm not gonna put it all the way because I don't want glitters all over my lid, just half of it. And now we are ready for our Tarte and I will use it looks like pink glitters, but it's so weird because in the eyes it looks dark. So well, I want some glitters, so here we are. Did you see it? Looks beautiful though. Ooh. Okay guys, I think we are done with the eyes. I'll do the other eye off cam and I'll be back. Voila, done with my other eyes and I am ready for my face. Let me put my foundation and I'll be back. So I'm done with my foundation guys, and today I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation color 330W, and I use also Be Bright of Kokie Professional liquid concealer in medium beige. Now I already contour my face and I'm using Milani and Blossom Time Rose for my blush on. And I'm not really a fan of this one, although I love it. I'm still using it, but it has like a luminizer or something in for blush that is like, you know, my big pores are showing. But for this pink theme, I am using. Did you see that? I don't know. Can you see it? My blush is, my brush is wet. Just washed them. Can you see it? I'm not sure, guys. I don't think it shows. Hello, where's my blush? Okay, so let me finish my eyes and I'll be back. And this is our final look guys, and I have a lot of things in my face right now, but I have the colorful. Oh my god, I'm scared guys. I'm scared of glitters. I don't know why, but I'm not a fan of glitters, but my lashes has glitters and I don't want to fix it. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. But on my lips guys, I have Maybelline in 30 Romantic, this bright, but I put like gloss in the middle by Jeffree Star, and this is color Succulent, just in the middle. And oh my goodness, this is fun to do, but my lashes is not cooperating right now. I'm scared of my lashes. Let me take this off. I don't care. Like, ugh. But I have a pink mascara by Colourpop. Let me put that, guys. I'm sorry. It's like I have to take that off. Like, I am a nut. Let me, so you can see it. Like, my lashes is pink. Yeah. So, and highlights, I'm using Too Faced in Fancy Pink Diamond. So this is the color. So yeah, oh my goodness, what do you think of my pink monochromatic look, guys? This is, I don't know, it's just I love it. Maybe I'm gonna do a different colors of monochromatic. I don't know. Let me know, guys, in the comment down below if you like my look today. And I put the eyeliner also here. That's the same eyeliner I use. And yeah, oh my goodness, aside from that scary glitters, I'm sorry, I can't take it. Like, I'm scared of glitters, especially like it will go to my eyes. I don't know why, but yeah, yay, I think it's success. I love my pink hair. And yes guys, it's a wig. The first time I post this in my Facebook, they're like, I wish just use the Luminous, but I can't do that. Although the wig has it's nice, but it's, you know, for a change, why not? I know it's not really thick, and I have to like tack in my long hair, and I hope you love it guys, and let me know in the comment if you want me to do another monochromatic look and maybe a different colors. We'll see. Let's be brave. I always say that whenever I have a challenge look, or like I'm getting stressed, I always say that to myself, like, let's be brave, you know. So to those who know that was what is that monochromatic, it means like you only use like one color, but I know I use different pink colors on my eyes. But what do you think guys? Did you like it? I'm looking for like an eyebrows also that I can do pink, but I can't find it. I saw, I think, purple and NYX. I just went to Ulta yesterday, and yeah. So thank you for watching guys, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom guys.